Hey guys, I'm Temur from teamandroid.com and this here is the Huawei P30 Pro. Following up last year's P20 Pro and also improving on the Mate 20 Pro announced few months back, this is Huawei's premier flagship smartphone. P series from the brand has always been about improving photography and the camera experience. New P30 Pro comes with quad cameras and supports up to 50x zoom. We will be looking at this device in detail in our complete review, but till then, let's unbox this phone. As a traditional phone box, the top half gets removed. Straight off, here we have the P30 Pro. Our unit comes in this amazing breathing crystal color finish which gives an iridescent look. Let's set the phone aside and dig further into the box. Here is an envelope which has a SIM ejection tool on top. Sliding out the contents, there is a silicone case and standard paperwork which includes the quick start guide. That's it for the contents of this envelope. Further within the box, there are few basic accessories. First, there is a standard white USB Type-C cable. Next, there are a pair of headphones. These are Type-C headphones as the phone unfortunately does not come with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Lastly, there is a USB Type-C travel charger which supports Huawei's supercharged technology for fast charging. Let's move to the P30 Pro itself and remove its plastic cover. Again, our unit has breathing crystal finish which has an amazing reflective finish to it. The colors bounce between shades of purple, blue and light pink. For the front display, there is quite a small notch which houses the front camera. The fingerprint sensor is beneath the display, so no extra physical sensor for that. Also, the screen is curved from the edges as well, something new for P series. Inspecting each side, there is USB Type-C port, SIM tray and speaker output at the bottom. All the main buttons are on the right side, and for the top there is an infrared sensor and also a microphone cutout. The cameras are 4 in total: 48 megapixel wide angle lens, 20 megapixel ultra wide lens, 8 megapixel telephoto lens which is beneath the flash sensor. We will soon be sharing our full thoughts on this phone, so stay tuned to our website teamandroid.com, and for more videos do subscribe to our YouTube channel as well.